And in this video, I've got you covered. I'll guide you step by step on how to start dropshipping the right way. I'll introduce you to a valuable website that will make finding products a breeze. Additionally, I will provide detailed instructions on creating and customizing a Shopify store, along with sharing numerous tips and tools to simplify the process. So let's dive into the world of make money online. Dropshipping is a business model where the retailer does not keep inventory in stock, but instead transfers customer orders and shipment details to the manufacturer, wholesaler, or another retailer, who then ships the products directly to the customer. The retailer earns a profit by selling the products at a higher price than the wholesale cost. It's like having a personal genie who magically delivers products to your customers while you sit back and enjoy the profits. Step 1. Choosing the product. When it comes to dropshipping, choosing the perfect products is absolutely crucial. And that's where Doba comes in. It's a game changer that will revolutionize your entire product sourcing strategy. So what exactly is Doba? Well, let me spill the tea on Doba. Imagine having access to over 700,000 products from top-notch suppliers. No need to worry about inventory or shipping hassles because Doba connects us, the retailers, with this incredible network of suppliers. We can import their awesome products straight into our online store, spanning various categories such as home, garden, electronics, and more. It's like having a virtual warehouse at your fingertips. And another thing, you won't have to worry about shipping either. Because the moment a customer clicks that buy button, Doba's dropshipping supplier is instantly notified. They swiftly fulfill your order and ship it directly to the customer's doorstep. And here's the cherry on top. The beauty of Doba lies in its seamless integration with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Amazon. That means we can effortlessly import those trendy items directly into our online store without breaking a sweat. Oh, and get ready to outshine the competition because most of Doba's suppliers are based in the USA, so delivery time is going to be lightning fast. Unlike other dropshippers who rely on suppliers from China, we're going to have our customers dancing with joy when they receive their orders in no time. So let's get this party started and create an account. It's totally free and lightning fast. Just click the link in the description and you'll land on this page. Now, let's get you set up with your Doba account. Provide your email, choose a strong password, enter your information, and just accept the terms of use. Then click Register Now. Great job. You've successfully created your account. Now you have the option to choose a subscription or start a free trial. Take a look. It says, enjoy our 30-day free trial, no credit card required. So go ahead and click Start Free Trial right here. A pop-up window will appear. It will ask you a few simple questions that you can answer in less than 5 minutes. Once you complete them, you can claim your $10 coupon. After answering the questions, you have the option to redeem your coupon immediately or do it later. I'll click the X here for now. On the right side, you'll find all your rewards. And look, we just received our $10 coupon reward. On the left side, you'll find a menu to navigate different sections of the website. And down at the bottom, you can see the remaining days of your free trial. You have a whole 30 days to experiment with the platform. If you scroll down, you'll find a selection of products that are specifically curated for you. Now, let me show you the main feature of Doba, finding a product to add to your listing. On the left side towards the bottom, click on Search Products. This is where you'll spend most of your time, and look at that, it's suggesting over 300,000 products for me to choose from. And the best part? They come with a high profit margin. You can click right here to sort them and make it easier to find what you're looking for. On the left side, you have the option to choose the category you're interested in. For example, you can select only the products with free shipping. And here's something interesting. It has a feature that lets you select multiple choices. For instance, the products with videos option caught my eye. Let's select that as well. So now we're looking at products with free shipping and videos. Let me select this product and you can easily add it to your inventory list by clicking right here. And as I mentioned earlier, take a look here. It says shipping from United States. That means if you're targeting US consumers like most dropshippers, this product will be shipped to them much faster. If you scroll down, you'll find the product details. And check this out. If you click on shipping, you can see the estimated delivery time for the United States is only 3 to 6 days. That's incredibly fast compared to shipping from China. So equipped with these steps, you have a strong foundation to curate your store with incredible products. However, there are many other aspects of the platform that we may delve into more deeply in future videos. But for now, you can just use the support chat located at the bottom right corner. You can access it and reach out to them if you encounter any challenges. And that is one of the things I like about Doba as well. Step 2. Building a Shopify store. Shopify is a beginner-friendly e-commerce platform that allows you to easily create and manage your online store. It provides a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop functionality, making it accessible for those with little technical expertise. Before we jump into the process of creating your online shop, let's take a moment to consider some valuable advice. Many beginners make the mistake of choosing a general shop, but that method is no longer effective. The more effective approach is to choose a specific product and build your entire store around it. Now let's dive right into creating your Shopify online store. Click the link in the description and you'll be directed to this page where you'll be asked a few questions. Feel free to answer them or simply click skip all if you prefer. Next, it's time to choose how you want to sign up. I highly recommend creating a business email for a more professional look. Click Continue with Email, provide your email address, choose a password, and then click Create Shopify ID. And just like that, your Shopify store is officially born. Now that you've landed on the Shopify dashboard, it's time to make your online store truly your own by customizing its theme. In the left navigation bar, click Online Store and then select Themes. Here you'll find the exciting Popular Free Themes section. Go ahead and explore by clicking on any theme that catches your eye. It will open in a new tab, allowing you to preview and see if it resonates with your vision. Once you've chosen a theme, click the enticing Try button. To make it the main theme for your store, simply click the Publish button. To further personalize your store, click the Customize button. This will open the theme editor where you can effortlessly edit different sections of your store. Start with the captivating homepage and let your creativity flow. Now here's a nifty feature for you. You have the power to preview your store on various devices and screen sizes. Simply look up to the top right corner and click on the desktop icon. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select the device you want to preview, like a mobile phone. Now let's get down to business and start editing those different page sections. It's as easy as a click. On the left side of the theme editor, you'll find the different sections of your store. Just click on the one you want to edit. Let's say you want to edit the announcement bar. Simply select it, and on the right side, you can change the text to something like free shipping to US. And we can't forget about images. If you want to modify this image, just click on it. And on the right side menu, you'll see the option to select image. You can either upload your own image or explore the selection of free images. Let's choose Shop Local, and here you can find the perfect picture to convey your message. Once you find an image that you like, click on it, and down at the bottom, click Select. Once you're satisfied with all your brilliant changes, don't forget to click that trusty Save button in the top right corner. To make things even more efficient, let's tap into the power of AI. Go to ChatGPT and prompt it with something like 5 business name ideas for a hairdryer Shopify store, and you will find all the prompt templates in the video description. ChatGPT will quickly generate 5 business name ideas for you. Now, choose the name that resonates with you the most. I like this one, so I'm going to copy it. Let's go back to the Shopify theme editor, but this time look for the Exit button in the top left corner. Give it a click, and you'll be directed to the main Shopify dashboard. Click Settings at the bottom. Within the Settings menu, select Edit in the Profile section. This is where you can change your store name. Don't forget to save the changes, close the window, and preview your store by clicking the eye icon to see how it looks to customers. All right, let's move on to creating a logo for your Shopify store. Head over to Canva and search for a logo template. There are so many great options to choose from. I like this one. So let's customize it to our liking. Click on the template and begin making changes. Canva makes it super easy to edit elements like text, colors, and graphics. You can truly make it your own. Once you are satisfied with the design, make sure to save the logo as a PNG file. I know that not everyone may have a Canva Pro subscription, but fear not. There are alternative ways to remove the background. One option is to use the Erase Background tool. You can also explore our other videos as well. Now let's take the next step and upload our newly created logo to our Shopify store. To do this, I'll navigate back to the Shopify theme editor. On the left menu, I'm going to look for the paintbrush icon. Right here, the gateway to our theme settings. I'll give it a click to access the customization options. Then click the logo option. And click the Select Image button to proceed with uploading the logo file. Next, a window will pop up, click Add Images. And you can choose the logo file that we saved earlier, then click on Add Images, finally click Done. And just like that, our logo is now uploaded to the Shopify theme editor. I think you now have a good understanding of how to edit your Shopify store. If you'd like a more in-depth tutorial on using Shopify, or have any specific questions, please let me know in the comments below. Now that you know where to find products and create a customized Shopify store, let's explore some ideas on how to drive traffic to your online shop. Step 3. Driving traffic to your store. When it comes to attracting visitors to your website, there are two primary categories: paid traffic and organic traffic. Let's take a closer look at each of them. Paid traffic. This can include running ads on search engines like Google or Bing, social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram, and of course, TikTok. On the other hand, organic traffic. This includes leveraging social media platforms, creating engaging content such as blog posts, videos, or podcasts, and optimizing your website for search engines. So with that in mind, if you're looking to drive some free traffic to your awesome Shopify store, TikTok can be your secret weapon. Start by creating a TikTok for Business account. Next, purchase and get your hands on the product you want to sell and create engaging videos that showcase its features and provide tutorials, tips, or any content relevant to your niche. But if you want an effective way to drive some serious traffic to your Shopify store, you have to go with the second approach. Yes, it does require some moolah, but when done right, it can be a game changer for your business. Here's the key. You want to make sure your return on investment, ROI, is positive. That means you're earning more revenue than what you're spending on ads. It's all about getting bang for your buck. But don't worry, in our upcoming videos, we've got you covered with some fantastic tips and insights based on our own experience. We'll spill the beans on how to optimize your free, organic, and paid traffic strategies. All right, folks, let's break it down and do some math. Get ready for some mind-blowing numbers. So if I go back to Doba, you can see this hairdryer priced at $21.05. And guess what? It comes with free shipping to the USA, just as we promised in the header of our store. And if you go to Amazon and search for a hairdryer, you can see that it costs around $60. Now let's talk TikTok ads. On average, they cost around $10 per 1,000 viewers. So let's assume you're spending $10 per day on TikTok ads, and we're being conservative here. Here's the exciting part. Let's consider a conservative conversion rate of 1%. That means for every 100 people who see your ad, one person ends up making a purchase. So, with your $10 daily spend, you're looking at around 10 sales per day. And with a merging of $29 per unit, that gives you a sweet $290 in daily revenue. Multiply that by 30 days in a month, and you're looking at a mind-blowing $8,700 per month. And keep in mind that you are investing $300 per month in advertising. So, if you can spend that budget within a week, you can anticipate earning $8,700 in just a week. I presented this example with the most pessimistic statistics to emphasize the vast potential of dropshipping. And remember, guys, this isn't about making a quick buck by mindlessly tapping on your phone. This is a real business. In this business, you offer a valuable product to people that addresses their needs and solves their problems. The key lies in selecting the right product and effectively reaching out to the right audience. I think that's enough information for today. So let's recap. Go to the description to get your free trials. First, find a product to sell using Doba. Second, create a Shopify store around that product. You can use ChatGPT to make the creation process easier. And you will find the prompt templates in the description. Finally, if you want to start with the organic method, you can begin by posting videos about your product on TikTok to get free traffic. Once you make some sales, you can then invest in paid traffic. I will show you how to do that in future videos. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.